Another 3 knots of boat speed. Okay, we have 14 meters on this. And that's the apparent width. Straight in front of us is effectively nothing. 3 apparent. We're probably doing 4.5 boat speed. Anyway, this will get tight. I'll go and organise this stuff.
How are we doing, Captain Angie?
Is that a question, Matt?
Dad and daughter.
Going good. She's good today.
Good, good.
She's taking her dad sailing,
Is
spending
she?
quality time with her dad.
She doesn't need a thrashing? Oh, it's not Friday, is it?
It's not Friday.